Police Services, a cadre of the MPSC 2016 batch, Shri S.L. Kamkhao hails from Modbum, under Kampupi district. A distinguished and well-decorated police officer, he now serves currently as the Deputy Superintendent of Police. Behind him, in front of the saluting dice, we have the 114th Battalion CRPF contingent, commanded by Inspector Sujoy Badia. Following him in front right now we have the platoon number 2, Manipur Rifles, Indian Reserve Battalion, commanded by Havildar Tongkalam Kibgan. Behind them is the police contingent, platoon number 3 of Kampupi Police Station, commanded by ASI Lunmin Panghau Kip. Here is the women police of Kampupi Police Station, commanded by Women Sub-Inspector Nengneilam Saum. We now have platoon number 5, the VDFs of Kampupi District, commanded by Assistant Sub-Inspector Haumoy Vaipeng. These were the 5 police or the uniformed services contingents. Following behind